So this is a test, the first test, where we're joining the audio with the video. The video being purely visual. This is the visual medium here. This is the audio here. We're going to listen and match them up, and just to see how much more personal it can sound when the audio is matching up with the video, and giving it a kind of a test like what we're doing now, with everything in place, and we're going to see how it goes. Here we are. And also we're going to try to learn how to smile. Smile. We're going to try to smile more. That's good.